Hello traders, and welcome to the 3-minute trading tip brought to you by Ninjacators, where you can find hundreds of NinjaTrader indicators all for $97 each. Today's 3-minute trading tip will be on Fibonacci extensions. But first, let's go ahead and go through the disclaimer. As a reminder, trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is just provided for educational purposes only. It is not an offer or recommendation to trade future stocks, options, or Forex. Alright, let's go ahead and talk about Fibonacci extension basics. Now, Fibonacci assumes that the market moves in a specific Fibonacci sequencing type of pattern, and that these moves can be measured and traded on a day-to-day basis. Now, the extension measures a previous wave and assumes the continuation of that previous wave's direction. So if you are a continuation trader or a trend trader, these can certainly be useful for areas of support, resistance, and reversals, namely targets as well. If you want to project out another wave in that move, they can be really good targets. The key levels to watch out for are the 38.2% and the Fibonacci golden ratio, the 61.8%. Let's go ahead and jump into a chart to show this in action. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the euro dollar chart here. This is on a 240-minute basis, but you can use Fibonacci extensions on any time frame. It doesn't have to be the 240, but we're just going to use this for example purposes. So we have a good run here, kind of a diverse run. You have some good down moves and some good up moves here as well. But what you want to do is go to the pencil here and then go down to Fibonacci extensions, or you can hit the hotkey F9. And let's see, you have the high here on the chart. And let's do a short run here. Just want to measure this wave. I think this is going to go ahead and go lower. And you go ahead and put it on the high, and you want to see exactly where this is going to go. And you can see right bang on the 61.8%, that golden ratio would be a perfect target in a case like this. Let's go ahead and take a measurement of another short move. Let's go ahead and pick out the Fibonacci extensions here. And I want to measure from this run down to this low. And I want to see what kind of expectations I should have for this trade. And then bang on, right on the 38.2%, you got a nice little double bottom on this extension, so it can be really useful for targets here. Let's go ahead and do this on the flip side now. Let's go ahead and look towards the long side and see what kind of information that we get. I'm going to go ahead and measure this run to this run, projecting out that run right there. Let's go ahead and see what we can get. And you can see went through the 61.8 but stopped right there at the 76.4%. So target achieved here at 61.8, but even reached a little bit further into the 76.4%. So you can see how useful this can be on a day-to-day basis for support, reversals, and especially targets in this case. And if you have markets that are really reaching outside of the price boundaries, making all-time highs or lows, Fibonacci extensions can be a great way to measure those runs and potential reversal points there in the market. Alright, so we hope you found that as useful as we do on a day-to-day basis. We just want to say thank you for checking out our video today. Please visit us at the links below. And until next time, good hunting out there and happy trading.